Welcome back, crafters. Today, we're bringing spring to your wrists with a beautiful daisy bracelet tutorial that combines sparkling crystals and delicate seed beads. Let's get started. Here is what you'll need for this project. 0/11 white seed beads, 6mm crystal beads, 0/11 golden seed beads, and charm. Jump rings, 2.5 inches extenders chain, lobster hook, 0.18mm beading thread. Now go ahead and take about 180 centimeters of beading thread to begin your bracelet. Next, take both ends of your thread and pass them through the loop of the lobster hook. Then, take the middle of the thread and pass it through the loop created by the ends, pulling it tight to secure the hook in place. Take a jump ring and slide on the extender chain, followed by your charm. Finally, close the jump ring securely so everything stays in place. Take another jump ring and attach it to the end of your extender chain. This will be the loop you'll connect to the lobster hook to fasten your bracelet. String a white seed bead onto one side of the thread. Take the other end of the thread and pass it through the same bead in the opposite direction to create a crisscross. Pull the threads gently to slide the bead down toward the lobster hook. String 2 white seed beads onto one side of the thread and 2 white seed beads onto the other side. Pass both ends of the thread through the golden center bead, then thread them backward through the 2 white seed beads from the previous round to secure the daisy shape. To finish your daisy, place a white seed bead on one side, cross the other thread through it in the opposite direction, and pull it down gently to lock in that final petal. Your first daisy is complete. Thread a golden seed bead onto one side of the thread, pass the other end through it in the opposite direction, and slide it down directly above the previous daisy flower to secure the next center. Thread 2 golden seed beads onto one side of the thread and 2 golden seed beads onto the other side. Take a crystal bead, thread it onto one side, and pass the other end of the thread through it in the opposite direction to create a crisscross. Slide it down so it sits directly above the golden seed beads, securing it beautifully in place. String 2 golden seed beads onto one side and 3 on the other. Leave the first 2 beads on the side with 3, and pass the thread through the third one in the opposite direction to make a crisscross. Pull it tight so the golden bead sits securely above the crystal. I'll show you the complete pattern one more time and then I'll finish up the rest behind the scenes. I'll be right back to show you the gorgeous finished bracelet. Take your extender chain and locate the jump ring on one side. Pass both threads through this jump ring, making a crisscross, and tie a few secure knots around the jump ring to fasten everything tightly in place. To ensure your bracelet is extra secure, thread both ends back through the last few seed beads, tie a few more tight knots, and then trim off any excess thread. Your bracelet is now ready to wear and show off. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed making this bracelet, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more fun craft tutorials. I'd love to see your creations, so feel free to leave any questions or comments below. See you in the next video.